Khlieh ke Seng NPP ubadeiru Myntri Rangbah ke Jylla Meghalaya. Conrad ke Sangma upoi Hanongbah Dimapur ban Ïakynduh yau Myntri Rangbah ke Jylla Nagaland Neiphiu. Kini ke Jylla kalong ke bakong sanbha haswa ban long ke election ke yang darba thauan Lok Sabha. Balakmi lentiru bakine kino yalam kini Khlieh jingmut halor kibut trekam ban ai jing kershani ke senrap NDA ha kini ke Jylla rilom. Kikam san himasima kelas dang ban kheshong shet habaro ki Jylla kathan chate lamingi namar bakajing thapwot kan salong habunt li ki Jylla ha ka khat khandai tere ko banaya yong na ka banta ki election Lok Sabha. Yau Conrad Sangma laya senran lang da uno yalam ka Seng NPP ubadeiru ulam phang ki darba thauan ke Jylla Meghalaya u Thomas A Sangma.
Honorable Speaker, Honorable Speaker of the Nagaland Legislative Assembly, who is also very senior leader of the party, who has been with the party since Neiphiu Sangma's time. So we are all very happy to be here today to meet all of you. And as you're aware that we have come here to discuss different political issues, different party issues, and after this we'll be all going for a meeting. And post that we'll be having a discussion with the Honorable Chief Minister of Nagaland also. I have a meeting with him. So I look forward to our deliberation today.